What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Financial Wealth, and today I'm going to reveal about my $3.4 million worth of real estate investment I made over the years. Year of 2021 is really hot for the real estate market. I'm going to give you a complete breakdown on my own real estate portfolio. I'm also going to talk about on why the real estate investment is better and how it can be great compared to all other investment. You can also watch my video till end as I'm going to talk about my basic income source, as obviously you need a source of the income in order to start the real estate investment business. On its own, real estate offers cash flow, tax break, equity building, competitive risk, adjusted returns, and a hedge against inflation. Real estate can also enhance the portfolio by lowering volatility through diversification, whether you invest in the physical properties or REITs. History shows that real estate has produced more millionaires and billionaires in the world. Real estate investing has minted its share of millionaires over the years, and as well as a handful of billionaires, including previous President Donald Trump. So this is how I started. I came to United States in the year of 2009 from United Kingdom. At that time I was living in Philadelphia area and searching for my engineering job. During this time I have got an opportunity to attend one of the real estate seminar in one of the Philadelphia hotel. That seminar was all about the rental investment and how to flip the houses. I did learn something new from this seminar, that there is some opportunity in the real estate market. But the time was not right for me since I was looking for the right job opportunity as an income source. To start the investing in the real estate market was very limited for me. So mostly in 2011 to 2013 was just a learning period for me. I learned about everything I need to know before I plan to buy the first real estate property. And at the same time, I also found my engineering job so I can start producing some income. In year of 2013, I got the first house for our family. It's a single family house, about 2,800 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house in Pennsylvania, Lehigh Valley area. As of today, its value is $465,000. As I got into the first real estate in 2013, my interest into investing in the real estate went up. Somehow I started falling in love with the real estate business. In year of 2014, I brought my first rental investment property. This is a townhouse property in the nice neighborhood setup, which has 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, and it is about like a 2,100 square foot house. The rental property's current market value is $250,000. In year of 2015, I brought my second rental investment property. Now this is a townhouse as well, and it is in the same neighborhood as well though. This property has like a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and it is about 2,000 square foot house. As of today, this second rental property's market value is $245,000. Now, at this point, I did got a good understanding in the real estate investment, and I was also continuously looking for some commercial investment opportunity as well. In year of 2017, I have also invested into commercial land where we can able to build either apartment building or a hotel business. This is one of the very good investment as this property is located right in the right close to the resort area in the Poconos mountain area. This is a more than 2-acre commercial land which has over $1 million in market value. I also got some partner into this deal as well. So certain percentage obviously belong to them. In year of 2018, I also brought third rental property, and this is a townhouse property in the same neighborhood where I got some other property as well. This townhouse has a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, and it is about 2,250 square foot house. Now this townhouse is built around like 2003, 2004, so it's not really that old property. This rental property's current market value is about $250,000. Now moving forward, I have also learned about the passive real estate investment opportunities. And I invested some money into passive real estate investment company called Fundrise. It gives return about like a 6% to 8%. And it is a good experience so far. And the portfolio value is about $35,000. Now there are a lot of other companies doing similar what Fundrise is doing, where you can basically invest $10,000, $5,000. Certain company even start investment from $500 as well, where you can start earning passive income from the real estate. So again, let me recap everything what I gone through about my complete real estate portfolio here. So property number one, that is my own house, right? Which is value about $465,000 in the market today. Property number two, which is a townhouse and a rental property, value about $250,000. Property number three, which is a rental house as well, its current market value is $245,000. Property number four, it has this is the same again, this is a townhouse rental property. Its current market value is $255,000. The commercial property, the land I brought in the Poconos area, it has current market value is about $1 million. The second commercial property, which I invested actually in the Ohio area, and this is another commercial property as well, has a commercial market value as of today is about $1.2 million. Now the passive real estate investment, which I did in the Fundrise, which has market value $35,000. Now the total real estate portfolio value is $3.450,000. So approximately, let's say my total portfolio value is $3.4 million in the real estate. Now here is the important point which you all are very much eager to know, and that is my source of the income. Where is my source of the income coming from so I can able to make all this real estate investment? So when you plan such a big investment into real estate, you need to have a good income source. You don't want to just get the 100% loan from the market and start investing in the real estate. Maybe it's a wrong approach. Make sure you have some good source of income coming in from somewhere, and then you can start investing those money into real estate. That's how you can build your real estate portfolio. I came to the United States in year of 2009 with nothing but had a good education. My parents worked really hard back in India so I can get the good education myself. My parents also sent me United Kingdom to get the higher education in engineering. After coming to United States in 2009, I had some struggle in the beginning, and then I started working as an engineering consultant. I also own 2 technology companies. I'm a founder and CEO of a company called Pentemo Group, and I'm also a founder of a company called Squeezebill. Mainly my income source coming from this company and the engineering consulting work I do. So these are the sources where my income is basically coming from. So if you have a plan to do and build a similar kind of real estate portfolio, real estate investment portfolio, make sure you have a couple of income sources available. Now you can see that my $3.4 million portfolio looks really epic, and the entire wealth has been created during last 10 years of time only. Now the reason I'm sharing this information to you, so you can start dreaming big like me. All you need to have a good education and a capability of dreaming impossible, and you can able to make a multi-million-dollar portfolio in matter of no time. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, then please make sure to press the like button and do not forget to subscribe this channel, Financial Wealth. I will come back with the more exciting and inspiring video like this. Thank you.